Good evening. It's May 49er, and today I'm going to show you how to make a whiskey coke. Just take 2-ounce shot glass. Right, where is it? Right there. That's it. All right. Take you some bourbon. Fill the 2-ounce shot glass with your preferred bourbon there. Then go to your fridge and you get a Coke. Alright, this next part is real simple. You paying attention? Good. You take your Coke and you put that back in your fridge. And you drink that when you want a soda. Cheers. That's how you make a whiskey Coke.